Hi folks, don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying my best to show you the right way things are done and also the cheapest way possible. What you're looking at is a spot welder. They call it MALECTRIC spot welder. It works. It does the job. Okay, I have no relation with the company. This is the body that I'm using on it. I'm using this body. Okay guys, I'm using this body. There we go, let's connect the body. This is how it turned out to be. I have this thing at 19 because I was doing, I think this is point 0.15, this is 1.15, and the middle one has 0.20. Okay, what I want to show you there, how strong this spot welder is done. I'm trying to remove all of them. Okay guys, remove all of them because we never see people actually undo the stuff. Maybe we want to, that's it. I have to undo the whole entire pipe, guys. Okay, and I find it very strong, and everything's ripped. Everything. So I had it at 0.9. Sometimes I put it at 0.5. When I was doing the first layer, I had it at 0.10. I mean, I had this thing at 10, number 10. When I do the first layer, but then when I doubled it, and when I put the two strip on top of it, I increased the layer. I increased the thing to 19. Okay, now trying to remove this, guys. Now the purpose of this video to show you guys that this thing is very strong. There we go. It's very strong, guys. I gotta undo this because the battery is dead. It gave me 0 voltage. So 0 voltage on this, guys. So I have to take it out. Let me take this thing out. I just want to see the screen, guys. This is a very, very good spot welder. I think they have an updated one where you turn this thing off. They have a button there, you turn it off, which is very good. So I'm just gonna take this thing off, guys. I had a wire, and I'm trying to reuse the wire, but that's impossible. This thing is assembled. When you use the right spot welder, guys, you're gonna have a problem to undo them. This thing works. This spot welder works, guys. This is one of the best I've ever seen around. I spent time buying those little crap one. The one for $21. I even bought one for 50 bucks. Some YouTuber put this thing online. I said, oh, this is good. And I believe what the guy was saying. And I went and bought the damn thing. You see on the back of it, guys? See how the spot welder was? Okay, put a lot of them there. On this side, I can remove this. I gotta unscrew some of them. Okay, guys, let me go ahead and clean this thing up. Let me give you a close-up, guys. Now, this is the heads. This is where the spot welder was. Okay. Every single one of them. Maybe I had it too high, I don't know, because it didn't look so good when I was doing it, so I increased it. I shouldn't keep it at 9 or 10. I had it at 19. when I'm doing the double one. And it was two. I had 3 layers of nickel strip in there. The middle has 3 layers. The thing works. It's amazing, guys. Now this battery is dead, so it was 0 voltage. Now I gotta go take it out. I gotta take every single one of them out. I think it was in the middle. This is the positive one. It was in the middle right there. So I gotta check those cells. It was in the middle right here, guys. This one was 0. So I gotta check those cells. I gotta start removing this stuff. I'm gonna check out the cell. I'll charge them, let them sit, and see which one went dead. And repack it again, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. That's help the channel, my friend.